Good morning, everybody. I hope all of you are doing well. In this video, I wanted to give everybody an update on this rehab of the house we've been working on for a while. I think you saw a few videos of me doing a stair remodel and then also working on the bathroom. So we're about 6 months in, slowly crawling. Had to switch hands with my coffee. And I decided to take a few days off work to work on this. So take work off to work. Interesting method. But let's check this out. I'm upstairs in the master bedroom. So at first, we weren't going to take any of this plaster, the plaster walls off the wall. And before we know it, we were breaking chunks. So you see this right here, all of a sudden chunks were just breaking away and we kept losing the wall. That's where the trim was on this wall. But it got to a point where we had to remove all the plaster in this master bedroom. Probably a better idea anyways, because now we can put insulation in here behind the windows and then also back behind here for the outside of the house itself. We did leave some of the plaster, like the ceiling here, that back wall, because insulation isn't going to be as critical. What we're going to do is we're going to skim coat these walls here and the closet. We had to knock down all the walls or the plaster walls in here. So anything without plaster, we're going to put up fresh drywall and insulation. Now we walk out of the second bedroom into the hallway. You can see we did a similar method here. We were just gonna skim coat this hallway, and after looking at how wavy and uneven the walls were, you know, all this is just getting ripped out with fresh drywall. The banister has to get raised up. Right now it's about 20 some inches. Has to be up to code to about 36 inches, so no way anybody could flip over this. You can see we gotta put insulation in, fresh drywall, trim. The bathroom did the same thing, decided to just go forward, rip all the walls out and put up fresh drywall. Here is the, what is this room? Oh, no light, dang. This is the second bedroom. So you can see this is all drywalled and skim coat. So this is going to be as close to painting and flooring and trim. So this is hopefully what the rest of the upstairs is going to look like here in the next few weeks. The bathroom, we have our cement board all laid out, all the new plumbing or the fixturing for the shower. Started ripping down these walls. Got to rip all that down today as well. Clean up all the debris. Here we got a dumpster outside, so we can just toss right out the window. Let's go downstairs. Step into the labyrinth. A little bit of the rubble. Gotta clean that up today. Here we got the third bedroom. So the third bedroom's not that big of a mess, so we're just gonna skim coat all this room. You know, the plaster here, it's pretty good. We scraped these walls here. It's got a little bit of drywall patch that has to go here, but all this is gonna get skim coated. We do have to build a wall right here to enclose the ducting. And then last but not least is this addition. All we gotta do here is put up drywall, and that is it. Flooring. The bathroom needs new flooring. So we're on our way. We're on our way to get this house done. I did end up getting or paying a company to come in and paint this house. So check, that's a check mark. So the house is painted. I'll show you this outside here in a second. And then this Saturday, a new roof is getting put on. So we're gonna have all this progress on the inside, the painting, the new roof. So slowly but surely, we will get this thing rented out.
Look at David's makeshift scaffolding.
Not screwed in yet. Do not stand.
Do not stand. I learned my lesson with the stairs.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's a little, my head's gonna hit.
What?
My head's gonna hit, but it's all right. I'm underwater. Progress, dude.
Yep.
Looks like we need to crash. Go outside. Oh, look at that. We have now ventured the crawl space. We're trying to get rid of these spider webs so I can crawl back here. Get out of here. Get out of here. I want to see what's that out there. It stinks down here, dude. Oh, what is that? What is, it's a condom. Ugh. If I see eyeballs, I'm retreating. Ah, ah, ah. Ooh, what do we got? A GM and multi application antenna. Let's check this out. 20 bucks. A roller. 20 bucks. 20 bucks. We're up to $40. Dude, there's gotta be something down here. It smells. Where's the big cat? Ah! Spider! It's a big bag! Oh, there he goes. Let's get out of here.
The tedious stuff. The stuff nobody wants to do. You know? Nobody wants to sit here and hammer in nails because there's 1,000 nails because they did paneling. They took the easy route. And this is what we're stuck with, you know? I only got about 1,000 of these. 2 hours later. 2 hours later. Look at this. What the heck is that? A hole to the outside? Well, no crap, Sherlock Holmes. There's gonna be water and moisture coming in. Fix that problem. Check out my wood dungeon garage. We're gonna use this maybe for the chicken coop. Look at all these pallets and the wood and the timber and all this. So I got all this from this backyard right here. And I still got a ton of stuff to do. I gotta rake up all this mulch. So hopefully eventually this will be grass. Look at that little wood platform. That's gotta get ripped up. That's gotta get ripped up. Those gotta go. What would you do with these if you had them? Somebody want them? Come get them. That made for a good day. We almost got this thing full, or at least 2/3 full. But I was sitting here looking at these welds. Oh, dude, look at that thing. That is great. Look at all that porosity right there. Lovely. We ended up getting this house painted. It looks a lot better. Next is the roof this Saturday. We got to cut this tree down, mulch here in the front, landscape. It looks horrible. And then paint the bottom, but the paint job looks good. I love getting Fronius boxes in the mail. What is it? Let's see, everybody. Grind mask. Are you guys fighting? Oh, smack! Grind shield. Look at that guy. Grind mask. It's downpouring as we speak. The first dumpster is out of here and it's getting replaced by that guy because we're doing the roof on Saturday. Oh yeah. Today marks the day for skim coating the plaster walls to make it even or look like fresh drywall. How many of you watching skim coat walls before? Let me know in the comments below what the easiest way, or mud or tools or anything you used as a quick tip. David has a nice little concept here. We're using 90-minute mud, and basically it dries in 90 minutes, so it gives you time to set up. So there's our mixing bucket, there's our cleaning bucket, or our water bucket to add to the mud or the powder, and then there's our cleaning bucket, and then there is our slop afterwards, and there's our tools of precision. So everything here is super clean. Taking a sponge bath?
What?
Are you taking a sponge bath?
Not yet.
It looked like you were.
Laser above starter. Or however they pronounce it.
Oh yeah, it just scrapes off the line.
Okay, and then all that chattery stuff?
Chattery stuff, you're probably screwed. Yep. You have to get on the next coat.
Well, yeah, you're gonna have to go the opposite direction on the next coat, but you can smooth it a little bit.
Got it. So you want lines, no chatter. None of that? Yes to this. Update alert. So on Saturday, we had a contractor do a no call, no show. And we found out it was due to the coronavirus. Got a hold of him and he's in quarantine. So I don't want that dumpster to go to waste because it was $475 and I need a new roof. So I got a hold of a local high school friend, and guess what? He's knocking it out Tuesday and Wednesday. And it's $300 cheaper for the labor. So how much do you think that cost? $2,500 for the labor. So that's tear down and then install. How much do you think it costs for all the materials? What do you think? What do you think? So this is 22 square shingles, so 72 packs. 22 times 3, or 23 times 3, 22, 23 times 3, that's 72. Then we have the starter strips, and then everything we need here. So the contractor was a family friend, and he was gonna provide a few things. So rain and ice, the underlayment, felt, and a few other things. So I had to buy that today from Home Depot, and I'm gonna show you what I got. So here's what I got. Ice and water shield, 3 sheets. And then I got 2 rolls of underlayment. I got the 1,000 or so roofing nails, tar, aluminum flashing, 5 vents covers, and 22 sticks of drip edge. Making the grand total of the roof, let's see, $2,500 for the labor, and $2,000 for the shingles and the starter strips, $4,500. $800 for what was in my garage that I just showed you with the ice and rain. So we are talking 45 plus 5, 5,000. So to do this whole roof, which is 23 square, so 72 packs of shingles, cost me about $5,300. $5,300. I don't know, is that good? Good deal? bad deal. I don't know what do you guys see in your town? Let me know if that's a good deal installed with all the equipment needed. All right, thanks for watching. This was just an update video. We'll see you on the next one. Adios.